Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to another update on Space ID and the ID token. We'll be taking a look at price action. We'll be talking about whether we can actually expect a rally, and from where. Because I mean, if you take a look at the chart right now, there have been buying opportunities, like right here at 56 cents. 52 cents, 49 cents, and 46 cents. But overall, the general direction has been down. And obviously, at some point, that will stop. Whether that's soon, we don't know. But that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Partially, I'll give you my thoughts on that with the technicals and the fundamentals in mind. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and actually make a profit in trading crypto and also become a better trader and investor, that's something I think that's very important as well. And you will become that if you join the group. Check out the links down in the description and the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Space ID. So first of all, I mean, purely technically, with the drop we got on Sunday, we already dropped back into this range we were in, between 52.5 cents, let's say 53 cents, and 43 cents. And that is the main level I'm looking at right now. If we're purely talking about technicals, this is the most respected level for Space ID ever since its launch. All right, so that's 45 cents, that entire level. With the bearish momentum yesterday, we spiked down towards that level. We spiked down to like 46. But I think overall, right now, the momentum is still down, right? So right now, there's still a lot of bearish momentum in the markets. As you can see, for Space ID, we haven't had any bullish confirmation. We actually had bearish confirmation with having this break retest yesterday. So currently, I still think the momentum for ID is down. I mean, in the end, to do a quick recap of what happened, we obviously had an amazing rally, but that was largely manipulated. So there's still a huge sell-off going on, probably by the manipulators, but also by people taking losses. Perhaps even getting out of the crypto markets, getting into meme coins, hoping for better returns. But yeah, hasn't been great. I mean, it also hasn't been great for me. I shorted from this level here at 58 cents. So now I'm in profit, but it was a long period of time where I was not in profit. But all right, so right now, purely technically, this is actually the level I'm counting on. I think it lines up well with some strong support levels for Bitcoin as well. So I actually do think, and perhaps this is the first time I've said this for Space ID in a very long time, I actually do expect that we'll find support there. So what does that mean for the short term? For the short term, that means that we will still drop down to like 45 cents. And what we will kind of do is find some support at 45 cents, consolidate on top of that, and drop down a bit lower to 44, then to 43 cents. And at some point of time, I actually do think, and I do have to say with the current market circumstances, because, for example, if the inflation rate tomorrow is way higher than expected, we will drop down lower. But with the current market circumstances, I actually do think that from that level, especially around 43 and 44 cents, we can actually get some bullish momentum up to 50 and 52 cents again. So yeah, that's the first time I've said something bullish about Space ID in a long time. It's not because I hate the project. I think the project is interesting and probably even a bit undervalued right now, if we're talking about the long term. But just purely being realistic, in my way of analyzing, sorry that it was bearish, but here's a little bit more of a bullish outlook for you. So that's my take on ID and Space ID. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.